So ito yung huli nating lecture. So ito ang ating lecture ay about data presentation. Okay? So tingnan mo natin yung ating syllabus, no? Kung tayo ay on track and so on, no? So ang huli nating paksa na before this is we were able to have an experiment with the dead weight testing kasi nang nasa syllabus, no? At yun ay ginawa natin ng report, no? Ginawa nyo ng report. Ito yun, no? And then we were able to have some project discussion dahil wala tayong mga equipment, wala tayong mga laboratory na mga gamit. So ang ginawa natin ay magkaroon na lang ng journal para yun na lang ang i-discuss, at least gawa na yon, and then we're gonna study yung technical report or presentation based on the journal, and we are going